Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. I put that on my partner, I put that on my family. London town, I represent, address me as your majesty.
Polish shirt.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. May free, ano yan? Monster Energy. May ultra, tapos isa walang ultra. Ayun.
Dito kasi zero sugar.
May vlog titled Rent Apartment Hunting. Ito, gusto natin mag-hunt.
Pag-hunt lang naman tayo sa TV. Buksan ko na to.
Ganda naman. Yung bango.
Kaya hindi ko binibili yan. Nasa 100 yan. Sarap. Hindi pa ako nakakatikim na ito kasi hindi ko ito binibili.
Dito rin naman soda lang. Yung Gatorade na blue or yung white.
Sarap.
Kaya pala mahal. Kain! Beef bulgogi, 2-piece chicken. Ano yung flavor?
Honey, basta honey. Tapos biglang ito,
soy garlic.
Basta soy something.
And then, iced tea.
Baka makasama ako. Basta sa'yo.
Parang hindi siya masarap. Or baka yung ito yung gulay. Parang maasin.
Baka yung gulay.
Nakuha na namin yung unit, yung pinakita ko in the previous video. Kasi ang ganda niya. Nagustuhan din siya nila vlog. Diba?
Yes.
I like it. I'm a renter. Damage. Ayan, I already packed my gamit. May maleta pa dyan sa ilalim. Ayan. This one, sorry, tutupik kasi ako. This one, ito yung dadaling ko for Saturday. Kasi Saturday yung turnover. And then this, all of this, sa Sunday na. Kasi Sunday, ihatid ako ng aking family. Sorry for my haggard face. But, hindi ako nakapag-hi sa inyo yesterday because late ko na nasimulan yung vlog. Sorry kung haggard ko ngayon. And kung ngayon ko lang sisimulan yung ating hello sa inyong lahat. Kasi kahapon, nagmamadali kami to visit or to view the apartment kasi baka may makauna sa amin dahil nga maganda and very sulit yung apartment. But, yeah, we got the apartment. I got the apartment, so it was already reserved to us yesterday because nag-down na kami kahapon. So, yan, I am getting ready all of my stuff. Hindi ko dadalhin lahat ng gamit ko. I am not totally moving out kasi maliit lang yung apartment. So, I don't want to store a lot of things there kasi gusto ko minimalist lang and mapanatili ko yung minimalistic Nakita nyo naman yung itsura ng apartment kahapon. So, ayun. Yun yung itsura niya, bare. I will do a tour again on the next clips. Kasi we will go there on Saturday nga. This is it, pansit. Kung hindi lang talaga kinakailangan, hindi ko to gagawin. Pero this is for my own self. I'm waiting for Koy Koy to come in. Wala pa siya. Let's wait for him. Pepper lunch. Ang gagawin pala namin today ay mamimili ng mga kung ano-anong gamit na need. Pagtitingin ng ref. Lasa.
Sarap.
Ito yung rice cooker. Bibili namin. Ito. Ang design. City glass. For 10?
Ay, for 6 feet.
So far, this is what we got. We're tired.
May kutsilyo pero walang chopping board.
Chopping board kasi kulay green. Aesthetic ng apartment ko, gray, black, and white. Ganito kaliwanag dito sa kwarto or dito sa apartment. And hello, Koy! Koy! Pasensya nyo na yung lamig kasi nagugutom na ako. Pero double para siyang loaf. Ito yung kama. And then may patungan lang dyan. Ito yung hagdanan. And then parang sofa. And then dito sa ilalim yung gagawin kong storage for my clothes and everything. Tapos here, patungan ko ng skincare, ganon, Eclavu, ganyan. Ayan. And then this is my window. Ayan yung aking view dito. May bintana rin here. Ayan. And then may abang ng aircon, TV, electric fan, and may koy-koy, one chair. And then yan yung kusina or sink. And then, this is the CR. Ang ganda ng CR. Very perfect. Punta kami ni Koy Koy sa Mawa. Eat at the grocery. Okay, pasensya nyo yung covered kong face, but this marks as our first day here in the apartment. Ayan. Look at the mess. Maglilipit lang ako because I have to make lipit na para bukas wala na tayong problema kasi bukas may pasok na. Let's go. Bale, ayan, nagpapahinga na lang ako. Halos tapos ko na yung mga ligpitin, mga basura na lang yung nandyan. Pagpasensya nyo na kung medyo maingay, nakabukas yung bintana ako. But, I love my life. Love, pasok ka dito.
Wawa.
Why? Hello, it's Wednesday today, June 12. I haven't closed the vlog yet. Kaya, ayan, i-close na natin yung vlog. Nakapag-settle down na pala ako. Although may mga kulang na lang ng mga gamit like table, organizer ng clothes, and desk table for my laptop para kapag nag-work from home, and then I'm good. Yun na yun. Promise. So, thank you so much guys for watching my apartment vlog. Sana nagustuhan ninyo. This is 1 week in the making. Well, actually, 1 week pa. Yeah, almost a week in the making. or almost 2 weeks in the making. That's why I have to close the vlog na. So, thank you so much and see you on my next vlog. Bye!
Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so